In this video, we will be adding a meal from different categories. First, we will scroll to the bottom of the screen and select Snack. You will notice 5 symbols about 3/4 of the way up the page. The clock is for our past meals category. This category saves the last 8 days of lunches you have entered. Second is our core foods category, designated by the fork and drink. These are foods pre-entered to make adding a meal easier for you. Third is a star for our favorite meal category, which are meals saved by you for easy access and adding. Fourth is a shaker bottle for our supplement category. And fifth is a carrot and apple, which is our fruit and vegetable category. We will use past meals category and add chicken breast. Press the green plus button to bring up the measurement. The chicken is measured in ounces, and as we change the ounces, you will see the protein fats change in the blacked out rectangle. This will help you to decide how many ounces of chicken you will need for your meal. We will select 3 ounces. Press the green add button to add the food to the meal. You can see chicken breast has been added to the meal in the outlined red rectangle and grayed out area. Also check in the top right corner by the save button and you will see 1 for 1 food added. Let's add a food from the core foods category. We will add long grain brown rice. Let's scroll the measurement wheel to 1/2 cup of long grain brown rice and select it by pressing the green add button. We can scroll back to the top and see it has been added to the meal, and now we have 2 foods added to the meal. Now let's add fruits and vegetables category. Let's scroll down the broccoli and click the green plus button for the measurement menu. We will add 1 cup of broccoli. Press the add button to add this food to your meal. We will also scroll up to avocado in the same category. Let's press avocado by hitting the green plus button and bring up the measurement menu. We will select 1/4 of a medium-sized avocado. Let's add this to the meal. Now we have our meal. It matches the macros well, and we will save this meal by hitting the save button in the top right corner. Our compliance score will pop up, and our meal has been saved. We'll go over the compliance score in another video.